Today, we're going to look at some wild weather facts that'll totally change how you see the sky.
So let's kick things off with a question that, honestly, just sounds plain wrong.
You know that sticky, heavy feeling on a humid day? Well, what if I told you it's all a lie?
Believe it or not, physics says humid air is actually less dense. Yeah, I know. Here's why.
It's pretty simple, really. Lighter water vapor molecules actually shove out the heavier stuff.
Now, this isn't just some fun fact. For a pilot, understanding this can literally be life or death.
It all comes down to something called density altitude. It's the altitude the plane thinks it's at.
So less dense air means less lift and less power, which makes taking off really tough.
Okay, let's jump to another sky mystery, phantom rain. You can see it, but you'll never feel it.
It's called Virga, and while it looks beautiful, it can be a massive warning sign. This ghost rain tells you there's a super dry layer of air just hanging out below those clouds.
And hiding in that dry air, one of aviation's most dangerous and invisible threats. The microburst. Think of it like a punch of air slamming down from the sky at insane speeds. For a plane, it's a nightmare sequence. A sudden headwind, a violent downdraft, and then no lift. But the danger isn't just the weather itself. Sometimes a pilot's own eyes can trick them. Flying into fog can create an illusion that the plane's nose is too high, causing a dangerous correction. And rain on the windscreen is even worse. It creates two opposite illusions at the same time.
So what's the engine behind all this? What actually creates a massive thunderstorm?
Well, it turns out there's a pretty simple three-part recipe for every single one.
When you get those three things together, the atmosphere just unleashes an incredible amount of power.
So next time you look up, just remember, what you're seeing is only a tiny piece of the puzzle.
The sky is always telling a story. Now that you know a little more of its language, what will you see?